to the Bat Cave. Whoa. So it's Thursday, and I'm going for a hike. I've been getting lazy and putting this off. I usually go for a hike twice a week, but this week I haven't been doing anything. Get off work, sit in front of the TV. That's about it. It's not good. So yeah, park the truck. Take off on a little hike here. Before it gets too late. This way I can say I did something productive, right? Right. Where does it take to? Weather's just right now. Got a little breeze blowing and it's cool. It's kind of like a cool breeze coming off the ocean, you know. How nice it is over here. Said it was 81 degrees on the way home. Right now it's perfect. And tomorrow's Friday, yeah. So I'm back. I'm back where I started from. There's a good quick hour hike. Typically I go for a 2-hour hike. But I forgot to tell you, I just came from the gym. I went and worked out first and then I went for a little hike. So, wind feels good. Nobody told me I was supposed to back in. What a nice day. Too bad I was stuck at work all day. Basically, not doing a whole lot either. Running out of things to do. Trying to keep my workers busy. If it was up to me, I'd only work half day and go home. But fortunately, I gotta stick around. Damn it. So I think what I'm gonna do, pick me up a cold one and head on home. Home. Hope you can hear me through the wind. It's breezy still, but so I got this thing on there, and I need to touch up some welds, and I need to make my bracket, and I move this over just a piece, move it over a few inches. I gotta adjust this side just a little bit, and I've got my spare tire already. Wheel and tire for the spare is about $500, so ouch. So this weekend, yeah, I got things to do. I'm going to. I got these in the mail today. Yeah. So my bump stops for the front suspension. See that? Yeah. So these are gonna go on the front suspension, right? They're gonna go like. So this is the factory bump stop. This little bushing here, rubber doodad. And if you look at these trucks from the factory, this is way down here, and there's a little landing pad for it on there. So you got about that much play or travel. Now this is useless now. The suspension does not go that far. So the issue I'm having is my suspension is topping out my probably the struts, I assume. So that's why I'm gonna put these in here, just like that, something like that. Okay, and that'll let it cycle like it was meant to do. You know, these should have been extended down. Now, if you look at the BDS suspension for this truck, it does come with extended bump stops. Okay, I think that these are going to be a lot better than those extended bump stops from BDS. Thing is, I'm going to have to fab them up to make them work. Right? Right. So this is what's called the bump stop can. Yeah. We'll have to rig this up somehow in place of the factory bump stop. Then the bump stop slides inside here like that. See that? And then you tighten it up, right? Alright, so there's that. Also, since I've got the truck apart, I'm going to upgrade the shocks. As you can see, there's Rancho boxes here. I was looking for the RS 9000s, the adjustable shocks like I had on the Tacoma. I like those a lot better than the Bilstein 5100s. But I couldn't find a listing for this truck or an application for this truck in the Rancho 9000s. But what I did find is the RS 5000X's struts for the front. So I grabbed some of those. We'll try those out. I like these because they have the internal bump stop on them. So when the suspension fully extends, it's got some kind of cushion built in there. So it's got that built in here, and then it's got the bump stop there on compression, right? Right. And the reason why I got these is because the suspension is a little soft right now. With the added weight of the bumper and the winch and the bigger tires, it feels kind of light and floaty, you know? So we're going to stiffen it up a little with these. Or we'll see how that works. But yeah, I don't want to spend $800, $1,000 for Fox shocks, you know. We'll try these. Why not? You know, this is the real world here. Let's see what happens. The next thing to do would be to upgrade the front springs, but when you put stiffer springs in, you kind of lose articulation there. You know, softer springs flex easier, which is good for off-road, but it's a little mushy on the highway, so. Well, we'll see. There's a trade-off there. And on the rear, I got to check on my order for them rear springs from Atlas. It's been, what, going on 3 weeks now? He said he was going to try to put a rush on them just for me. Yeah. We'll see. Holiday coming up. I'd like to get this truck together and be able to take off somewhere. The longer brake lines need to go on the front. Same time, I'm going to put these struts on. I'm going to fab up those bump stops and mount my spare tire, and hopefully I'll be ready to go somewhere Memorial Day weekend.